Say hello. Hey,
Okay.
a weekly vlog is back. So we got this mystery box from Dad. I don't know what it is. We got a cricket bat, which I don't know where that is. Tomorrow's election day.
Very nice.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. What is that?
What is this stage?
I can't see.
Hello. Man, here they.
Alright, let's see what's in here. What is it, seriously? Is it a... I don't know what this is. Alright. Mic stand. Right?
It's a stand.
What kind of stand?
Is it when you go to the big movie theater and they have the big 4K
Projector?
screen?
Oh, you got screen?
Yeah.
Oh, the projector, which is out there. Wait, I thought it was a stand.
How do you operate this shit?
Hey, what's your profanity?
What's your infinity?
And friendly. Wait, let me adjust the brightness.
Oh, because I'm a dark boy.
No, because the light up there is too lighty. How big's the screen?
It is very humongous, like my laptop. So,
No,
step 1.
wait, we have to set this up. Wait. Should I do time lapse?
You do.
Alright, 30. I'll see you when this is done. Alright, we made progress.
Loose? Can't fall.
So that time lapse just us setting it up, but now the moment.
Oh, we can
Wait, let me just my bag.
Go in a projector.
Oh yes, it's upstairs.
It's upstairs.
Alright. Yeah, I'm coming. Alright, take us downstairs. Old friend. Right. How's your progress there, buddy?
The moment of the truth.
Here, take it.
Look.
Oh my god. How big can it be? So just comparison, there's Dad, who's like 6 feet, right? I need to go back. To see the full scale of things, I need to go back. Oh my god, look how big that is. That's at least like 8 by 4.
I don't know. I think I go more.
What? It can go even bigger?
This is the biggest it goes.
What?
This is the high def. This is not the regular, the one we got in the garage.
Yeah. Oh, we can't hang this up in the garage.
But this can't hang. This could like be outside summertime.
All right, so let's see how the projector does. All right.
Let me see. It's bigger than the TV, right? Way bigger than...
It's a big, like that's
Way
a
bigger.
60 inch. And this must be like at least 75,
85.
85. Close.
Take off the light behind the arm.
Okay. Should I make this a new video or should this be part of the vlog?
Whatever you want to do. I don't know.
I named the vlog new projector screen. Alright.
That should have power here, right?
Yeah, power. We need to have the power.
Wow.
It needs to be connected. It's not gonna turn on.
Oh.
What are you trying to do?
The battery dead. Okay, we gotta get the...
Can't it turn on without power? Look, there's one behind the curtain over here.
Oh, correct there.
Alright.
But I gotta put it in a way that we
It has to be a really weird angle. Oh wait, look. Oh, it fits. Let me go back.
Take off that light back there. Let's keep it dark and nice.
You mean the sun? Oh. Alright. See? Ooh.
Ooh. So you gotta be like this.
See, okay. Can we zoom up? Like, I mean zoom out?
Yeah.
Make the screen, actual screen bigger?
Bring me that
It looks like some VR, yeah?
the remote.
Where's okay.
We gotta figure out a way to get a thing. Unplug.
Unplug.
You have to be far away.
Far away? Yes.
Okay.
Let's hold this.
Plug it over there. Use this table like this.
I'll move my word well.
Okay, put it over there.
Okay, boss.
Well, I like it when it's projector.
Yeah. Sorry. Sorry, audience. I just dropped the phone. Look. You can fold it up really easily. It's really nice that way. Alright.
I'll just try like that for now.
Yeah. Okay.
Imagine being in the garage. Up in the garage.
You know what? I'm gonna make this a new video. Nah. Oh.
What the hell? What is it?
Oh, it needs to be what's the word? Oh, it's really out of focus.
That's good, right?
That's really.
That's
But-
good. Look at that.
But look, the back is back up there. I think we need to. You want to pull it back, look like that. Yeah.
No, yeah, come for more. There you go.
Oh. I mean, it's a bit off, but it's okay. You want to connect your phone to it? Or your phone's dead. You want me to get the iPad? Oh. Oh no. I'll get you back. I'll get you back. Well, I'll get back on the vlog when we have set this up correctly. I mean, it's just that little corner up there. You want to pull it back a bit? Pull the stool back. Using baby's tool.
What the hell is that?
Look up there. It's a little bit creeping out, but can it go any more? You should have seen Logan Paul. You want to pull the chair a bit more? Like, no, closer, because then it's going to concentrate the stream. Yeah, stop. Ah, there.
Why is it high and low?
Like from here to here is smaller. I noticed that, yeah. But it looks nice. Like, it's really high definition. Like,
I want to see ratio.
what show? Okay. You want to put on Casey Neistat?
I'll watch.
Put picture mode, there's Vivid, yeah, that's the one.
Alright.
Imagine playing video games on that.
I know we will.
Next video.
Why is it like that though?
Yeah, it's tilted. It's probably
Is it the
because...
screen or is it?
No, it's the chair, look.
No, I think it's this. No, it's that.
Oh, start over. Oh God, what is this?
It'll be like this, right?
Yeah. Baby uses this a lot. It looks like when you're playing VR and you look around.
Where's my phone? That's some
You wanna...
Ashley.
Okay. Let's play case nice stuff.
I wanna connect the sound bar to this.
Can you?
But yeah.
Wait, first play a video. I want to see how it looks because it's like 4K video, case nice stuff. We've been watching a lot of that lately. Look, first one. Up, there he is. Oh, new video, 1 minute ago. No, go down. Uploads.
What?
Uploads, just released new video.
This one?
No, okay, wait, go back. Show you. I saw one.
Yeah, but I don't know why he released it.
Look right there. See, new video. Or do you want to play drone?
Anyone. Play high def 4K drone.
Okay.
I wanna know why is this. Oh.
Wait. Drone. Here. Yes, Mavic Air. Review. See, 3, 2, 1. Cut.
Expenses are out of control and we don't even know how bad.
We need better tracking. The FileMaker platform lets us speed up report.
Dad, look. Oh my god, look at that.
I have to go to Netflix or put on a 4K movie. So
Yeah, brand new.
January 23rd,
You want?
2018. Very excited to test this thing out. First, let's see what's in the box.
Ooh, look. Alright, well, I'm gonna end this here. Say bye. Aha, we've got it. Got the soundboard, connect to the projector. See, look right there. Vizio SB4051. Give me a high five. High five. Fara.
Alright. Licky licky. Look at the goodie.
Ooh, put in some kuch chota here.
Where's this 4K stuff?
Go to like it's one of those. So we're looking for a 4K HD.
Just watch this.
See, ooh. Look how clean that is.
Not really. Oh.
Hey. We did it. What real men watch? Last thing, we fixed it. We fixed the level using old mail. Okay, got 4K. We got a 4K film.
Federal Police.
Oh my god. That is not clear at all.
That's not 4K.
It says 4K when you go.
Maybe in the video.
Oh, maybe it's like showing what's
Somebody
happening.
show video. Somebody video from 4. This is 4K.
That's the 4K, yeah. Alright, so, bye. Say bye.
Bye.